What is it?
Bless you.
Is it a parabola?
Yeah.
Yes, because there's only one squared.
Yes.
Okay, so you don't have to do it my way, but I'm going to go ahead and get everything on the other side. And I'll put my blanks in later. Okay, so I have negative 8y plus or minus 1, right? So put those guys over. And then I'll add my plus blank. So I have x squared plus 6x plus blank. And don't forget to do it to the other side. Now, if you don't do it to the other side and you're just trying to do it to the same side, then that means you have to subtract the blank. But I'm going to add the blanks to both sides. Now, what I add to both sides to complete my square? 9. Okay, there's no multiplying going on, so I don't have to worry about that. So next I'm going to have to rewrite this to say x plus 3 and square that foo. Now on the other side, man, what's going on over here? We have a negative 8y minus plus 8, right? Right. Now that's not in the standard form yet. The standard form was x minus h, and then we would square that equals, and there would be 4p, and then y minus k, and then we squared. Right? That's the standard form. You guys know that. No, not squared. Dang it, I almost messed that up. Okay, so it just says that, right? Right. Now, does y have a coefficient inside these parentheses? Nah, Doug. Nah. So you got to take them out. So I go negative 8. And then it says y minus uno. And so this is what I got. Now, would you guys be able to better graph this? Heck yeah, boo. Now you can find your p. 4p equals negative 8. P equals negative dose. All right, where's my center? My center, what's my HK? HK is, let's see, the H is right next to the X, and that says plus 3, so it's a negative 3. And what's my K? Uno. So I'm going to go over here to negative 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to go up to uno, and there's my vertex. Now, am I opening up or down? I meant to say, am I opening left and right or up and down? And I totally blew that question. But anyways, yeah, so minus 2. So that means my focus is going down 1, 2, down to negative 1. There's my focus point. Where's my directrix? It goes 2 the other way. There you go. Would you be able to tell me what my directrix is? What is my directrix, students?
2.
It is y. Whoa. Y equals what?
2.
No.
No.
We started at 1.
3.
Then we went up 1, 2,
I apologize.
3. What is my focus point? Negative 3 what? Negative 1. Because we started at positive 1 and went 1, 2 down. There you go. That's how you do it.